Hello, dear students. Once again, Anup sir here. From the behalf of Divine Education Institute, Secunderabad, and their subject that is typography in computer application. In this session, we will learn about the search engine. This is a chapter Internet security that contain the search engine and the use of search engine, need of search engine, how the search engine functionate, and how can we search or how the search engine search the data on search engines. These all types of content will be discussed in the session. So what is the search engine? At first, the search engine is a web-based tool that enables user to locate information on the world wide web. Now in present day we use different kinds of search engines, and the very general search engine that we use mostly frequently, that is Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask, etc. The purpose of a search engine is to extract requested information from the huge database of resources available on the internet. Search engines become an important day-to-day tool for finding the required information without knowing where exactly it is stored. Internet users has been tremendously increased in recent days with the easy to use search engine like Google, Bing and Yahoo, etc. They are much more search engines, and Wikipedia is such kind of search engine that is used to search the history of related term, related books, objects, person, any kind of that. There are different kinds of search engine to get the information you are looking for. So in the next slide we will discuss the different types of search engines. But before the knowing the different kinds of search engines, first we have to know the need of search engines. The search engines are the part of daily life in today's, and there are many persons who use the search engine for two types of work. Some users who search and get information from the search engine, and there are some users that are the site owners who try to optimize their websites for getting top rank in the web search results. Use user do more than billions of searches only on Google to find relevant information. This opens out a huge scope for businesses and online content publishers to attract people to their website for free. Search engines follow some guidelines and have their own algorithm to decide the ranking of the website in search results. These all things are the base how the search engine works. But before the different types of search engines to know there, the search engines are classified in the following categories based on the work. The number one, crawler based search engines. It crawls the information to find out the most relevant information from the huge database of information that are stored on the databases. Search directories. These are not logically, in fact, these are not the search engines. Search directories are the databases who contain the data. Hybrid search engines. They are mixed kinds of search engines. They can relevant to search different kinds of topics at the same time. Other special search engines are some general search engines. The different types of search engines have the different kinds of functionals, but the most general functions commonly that we have explained here, you have to know about the crawlers, algorithm indexing and ranking. These all three are the primary stages of the functions of the search engine working. As you are looking animes here that are not completely explained, I think the function of search engine are not completely explained here, but I am going to try better than that. First, search engine work three primary functions like crawling, algorithm and indexing, and last as ranking. What is crawling? Crawling is the discovery process in which search engines send out a teams of robots. Robots are the just some kinds of tools that crawls or spiders. In modern time, these are known as bots. To find new and updated content, content can vary. It could be a web page, an image, a video, a PDF file, and a small audio clip, etc. It can be anything. All crawlers based search engine use a crawler or bot or a spider for crawling and indexing new content to the search databases. These are four basic steps. And the crawling is the whole web to fetch the web pages available. A piece of software called crawler or bot, as I told you, or bot or spider performs the crawling of the entire web. Entire web means the entire server. There are some server who controlled all over the world, and these server contain most of the information of the world, and the crawling frequency depends on the search engine at it may take few days between crawls. This is the reason sometimes you can see your old or deleted pages content is showing in the search results. The search results will show the new updated content once the search engine crawl your site again. The next one topic is algorithm and indexing. What is indexing? Indexing is us to store and organize the content found during the crawling process. Once a page in the index, it is in the running to be displayed as a result to relevant queries. Indexing is next step after crawling, which is a process of identifying the words and expressions that best describe the page. What the page? The page you have searched for that. The identified words are referred as keywords and the page is assigned to be identified keywords. Sometimes when the crawler does not understand the meaning of a page or the term, your site may rank lower on the search results. Once the crawler pick up correct keyword, your page will be assigned to those keywords and rank high on the search results. After that, we have to understand what is the means of ranking. But first, once again, we are going to think about the algorithm and indexing. What is algorithm in this? Algorithm is just after the crawling when your data mostly. Algorithm is just the process that make your content in the sequence. The most frequent data which match your terms or the search terms are indexed. After indexing, the next topic that is work that is I told you about. After indexing, that is ranking. Ranking provide the pieces of content that will best answer in searcher's query, which means their results are ordered by most relevant to least relevant. Which means their results are ordered by most relevant to least relevant. This ordering of search results by relevance is showing. This is not showing, this is actually showing as ranking. So I hope you have understood what is the crawling, algorithm and indexing and ranking. But if you don't have the meaning, if you don't understood the meaning of crawling and ranking and indexing, so also there, then you can ask me in comments, or you can directly call me, or we can discuss in the next class when we'll take the live classes on Zoom app. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind that a search engine is a web-based tool that enables users to locate information. Every search engine uses different complete mathematical formulas to generate search results. These results for a specific query are then displayed on the SERP. SERP means search engine related pages. Search engine algorithms take the key element of a web page, including the page title, content and keyword density, and come up with a ranking for where to place the result on the pages. This is the ranking that we are talking about. What is the ranking? For example, you have searched any kind of topic on this Google search box. And ranking is just the series or the sequence or the search terms. The topmost ranking means the topmost relevant information to the searched terms. After this, we have to understand how the search data using Boolean operators on the search engines. As I told you about, there are three kinds of Boolean operator: and or not. And operator means all the conditions should be matched, or Boolean operator means any one condition should be matched. Not Boolean operator means just this information should not be matched. For example, if we are going to purchase puppy and kitten, for example, or you are watching, for example, let me go. Uh, for example, you are going to purchase a wallpaper that contain puppy and kitten. So it is important that the wallpaper should contain puppy and kitten both terms, or it means the both of the information should be there in our condition. If you are going to purchase a wallpaper, the wallpaper should contain puppy or kitten. Any one of them there can be. If kitten is not available, then it is okay if it contained by puppy. If the wallpaper contains puppy, then it is okay for you. If the puppy is not there, there is only kitten, then there is also okay. In the next process or the next condition, the wallpaper that you are going to purchase should not be contained puppy. There should only be kitten, or there should not be kitten, only puppy. Any one of them as per the condition you have provided there, the criteria. Okay. Let it understand in more efficient way. Go for this. And the how the search engine using wallpapers I have explained here again, and such examples are given there: politician and media. It means there should be both of the information, politician and media. What we are going to search, there should contain politician and media information. The information should be contain children and poverty. The related topic that contain children and poverty would be searched on the search engine. For example, you are giving a statement or the term civil war and Virginia. It means you are going to search civil war that contain Virginia, that have happened in Virginia. Next one we are going to topic about, that is the or, logic boolean or the boolean operator. You have to clear that logic operator or the boolean operator both are the same. Using operator or operator, if you are searching the term that is a law enforcement or police, there should only one true. Doesn't matter if both are true, but if the information contain only one, that is also okay. It can be used. The next term is the labor or labor, 60s or 60s. You can search using OR operators. Doesn't matter this is numeric form or the text form. Doesn't matter it's written labor or the labor. What is not operator? Civil War, not American. If you are searching in a search box Civil War, not American, it means you are searching a civil war. You are searching information about the civil war, but it should not be American Civil War. It may be any other civil war, but not American. You are searching for Caribbean, not Cuba. You are searching for therapy, not physical. It should be any kind of therapy, but it should not be with physical therapy. Not means it should not contain this information. This is the using technique of and or not in using or in searching criteria by using search engine. If you know how to use these boolean operators using search engine, then you can easily find out your relevant information very easily. Otherwise you have to face some kind of problems over internet because there is a huge information available on the internet, and it is very difficult sometimes to find out appropriate information in very little time. So what is the next thing in this? I think I have explained well. If you have any doubt you can comment, you can call me, you can discuss in the next class when we will meet live. Okay, have a good day for that. Thank you.